Doing a quick review of these Tesla Model 3 Heatshield windshield reflectors from EVANNEX. We've put them in, but actually we're going to show you in the rest of this video the process of putting them together and putting them in. Here they are on the car. Stay tuned to see the rest. More view of the finished product. To put these in, you know, they come with the hooks on, at least mine did, so you want to take the white hook off and then put the suction cup through and the hook on, and make sure you put the suction cup on the side where it's going to be sticking to the glass. Of course, you want the silver reflecting the heat, so that's where it's going to stick to the glass, and we have to do that like a few dozen times. So here are the EVANNEX heat shields installed, almost all of them. One of them is not. You can see they cover everything. I could have done that a little better, I'm sure, but yep. This is some serious light and heat coverage. Once I put the last one in, I think it's going to get a little darker in here, so we'll see how that goes. But you can see there's some folding required at parts. It works fine. This front one is the only one without suction cups. These visors just hold the heat shield in place. It's pretty easy to put in. But not like super easy. So, you got to get in all the corners of the windows. Actually, here's all of the EVANNEX heat shields put in now. I thought it would be darker than it is, but it's still can see. Can put them in quite easily, but with some contortion. Once you get in, you got to figure out how you're going to get out, of course. I mean, once you put them all in, just have to make sure that these, because the windows roll up and down automatically when you open the door, you need to make sure that this is folded at the bottom well, and it's gonna not damage the car in some way, I guess, or the window when it automatically rolls up and down. So I'm making sure there's a little space above, maybe a little more space than there was when I put it in, so that when I get out and close the door, it doesn't hopefully create any issues. It seems to have closed all right. The first two doors, when I opened them up, the heat shield just fell right off. Oh, this one's stuck on, which is fine because you want to take them off once you get in the car. See what happens on this last one. On too. All right. They held up quite well, and it's not super hot in here despite being middle of the day in Florida, so I think they work.